Hey everybody, before this video gets started, I want to let you know that the Sturgis Presale is on now. So if you want our great Nowaskey performance suspension products installed by the professionals for free at Sturgis, make sure you go to the website now and fill out the form for the Sturgis pre-books. This is a 2007 Harley Davidson Road Glide transformation into a Nowaskey performance bagger, and all of these awesome parts are available at nowaskey.com, so you can do the same thing at home. Hey everybody, it's a beautiful day in Wisconsin, and it's a very exciting day because we are delivering a new Nowaskey performance build to our friend Alfredo, and he is waiting inside, and I can't wait to show you all this new awesome Nowaskey Extreme Performance Bagger. Come on in, check it out. All right, so here we are coming inside. Alfredo's already here, Matt's at the counter. Here we are. This is exciting. Alfredo approached us here last year and wanted a performance bagger build, and here we are. Today is the day. It's super exciting. So Alfredo has seen this bike already, but not like done, right? So we're gonna check it out and go over it, and we're just gonna kind of tell the story of how this all came together. All right, let's go. Man. Last night, we did a photo shoot with this bike.
Yeah.
George had the cameras set up and the lights and did an awesome photo shoot. He even had like some blue lights shining on it.
Yeah.
So it was, yeah, throw a leg over that thing.
Wow, this is a lot lighter than my 21 was, dude. Yeah,
so this is the taller bars from when you were here last. So we went up a couple inches in the risers, and we put new cables and lines on.
Yeah.
Does it feel good in the feet?
Yeah, yeah.
So Matt got the baby blue and white wrap on there, and we got the carbon fiber saddlebags, Sly Fox Performance saddlebags. These are the 14 and up.
Yeah.
One-touch bags, and there's a liner in there.
Oh yeah,
Alfredo.
Yeah, that felt nice.
And we got the Nowaskey Performance 13-inch remote reservoir shocks in the rear with our new updated design on the Resi mounts. So that is rock solid and dialed in for you. We have the level 4 Nowaskey front end up front, radial brakes, front and rear. This thing will stop on a dime and handle and perform amazing. This light blue Clockworks ice windshield on here looks super awesome, doesn't it?
Turn signals are
right there.
Yeah, those are aftermarket, obviously.
Yes, they are. Yep. You had a vision for this motorcycle, and you gave me pictures of like some classic hot rod cars and trucks that you liked.
Yeah.
And they were these colors. And what's the style you would call it?
I would say it's more of a kind of an OBS, you know, late 70s, like F100s type of a blue with a little bit of white, that contrast from those years of that. This is also inspired slightly, well, I learned after the fact by golf racing. They use this baby blue with a little bit of orange too.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we sourced this bike for you.
Yeah, we did.
So when you came to us, you're like, I want to start from zero. Let's make this thing the right way. And the 07 platform is the last year of cable throttle and cable clutch. It has the 6-speed tranny. You have the 96-inch motor, so it's easy to upgrade.
Yep.
And with the style you're looking for, that silver engine, really was gonna bring it all together. So the 2007 Road King is what we found for you. And went up to the cities and got it and sent you a picture and rode it home, right? And you were like, cool.
Deal, man.
We have been working together for quite a while, and you have been working hard to put all this together too. Double shifts, right?
Yep. Bartending on weekends, weekdays, sometimes going into work off 4 hours of sleep. So
yeah,
it's been a journey, man. All coming down just to this day, man.
Yep, it's going to be fun to ride for sure. Well, yeah. So we've got a lot of time and effort into this, and we took our time though, and Fredo, you allowed us that time. And I would like to say that here at Nowaskey, we would like to focus more time and energy building bikes like this for guys like you, right? Like, Fredo, you're not wealthy by any stretch of the word, right? And you work hard for your money, and we just established you work 2 jobs, and we worked with you and we built this bike on our channel. And a lot of you are seeing this for the first time, but we're gonna release some follow-up episodes for you guys that want details. And Matt and I will talk about the build and the process that we went through for Fredo. But we would like to do more projects like this for our channel and tell the story of the guys that we're doing them for, and like what you're gonna ride this every day, Alfredo, right? This is your daily.
This is a commuter, man. This is a commuter.
So, I mean, we like to build awesome bikes, but we build work bikes, right? Like they look cool. They might look like a show pony, but it's still a work bike, like Matt always says, right? It's a work bike, not a show pony.
Not a garage queen.
We like to have our machines put to the test. And I was just talking the other day about how I enjoy building them so much. I think I get more satisfaction out of building a bike for a guy like you than I do actually riding the bike. I spend so much time with it. I put so much energy into it, and it's so awesome, but I'm definitely addicted to it because I want to do it again and again and again and get that creative process out of me and onto the street. So with that being said, if you want an awesome performance bagger built, give us a call, shoot us an email. We want to work with guys like you to build more bikes like this.
Alfredo just started as a simple email. I was talking about it
Yeah, man.
time. I think an email turned into
this. All the way.
Alfredo is going to get on this and ride it how many hours back home?
We're doing 4. 250 miles, man. 250 miles.
You're going to be at one with this motorcycle when you get home.
Immediately one in it.
So with that, this is Alfredo's 2007 Nowaskey Performance Bagger, and now he's going to take this out to the street and put it to the test, like a true Nowaskey bike should be. So, Alfredo, I want to thank you for trusting Nowaskey with this project, and I know we're not done. We've already talked about engine stuff.
Yep. We're gonna
right?
Next year, next off season.
Yeah, so we'll be back in here doing it. We have more ideas for the wrap. We want to expand on that and make it a little better and do some more things. They're never done, are they?
Constantly tinkering.
Yep, trying to make them better. So with that, I hope that you enjoyed seeing Alfredo in this new project. And for you guys that want to see more, that's coming up too. Make sure you like and subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you want a bike like this, make sure you reach out to Nowaskey.